I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. You may have noticed we put a halter on Kaya this morning. But we're not really holding the rope or anything yet. It looks like I better go find my bug repellent. And we're just kind of, he's kind of been trained that if he steps on his rope, he can just get right back out of it. He can just step over it, so it doesn't bother him at all to step on his rope. And Dad is going to do a little bit of work on this back hoof. He's got a little bit of a hoof problem here that we're going to try to address. And usually we just have to kind of tap him and he'll lift his hoofs. Or even sometimes you just look at his hoof and he'll lift it. So this shouldn't be hard at all. Here we are. He looked at that hoof and Kaya just lifted for him. That was beautiful. Once you give Kaya his goodies, he works with you very nicely. He likes to encourage you to do that sort of thing. So I don't know if you can see, he's just picking that hoof. And this is one reason the sandy area is real nice to have horses too, because usually they don't have a whole lot in their hooves. Clean that hoof now. This is the hardest thing about having our horse. Our horse is so easy and amazing to me anyway. And it's just, this is the hardest thing, first we had to train him to be farriered. He had never, or he was kind of out of practice of being farriered when we got him. And so now we've got him trained very well. Thank you to our special homeschool curriculum that helped us so much. And there are great curriculums out there. I think we got it from the horse whisperer himself. Well, that wasn't the name of the company, but that's just what I'm calling him. But I love the way that man handled his horses, and it was it's an all natural, an all really natural way for training prey animals, and we love it. We train all our horses, our sheep, everything with that system. Daniel's just taking a break now because it's very taxing on your back.
I don't have the best back.
And he does not have best back. So Kaya is just enjoying his grains, of course, while Daniel does this. And we do, you want to keep it balanced. Whatever you do on one side of the horse, you want to do on the other side of the horse. So you never just leave the other side of the horse or just do one hoof. Or we don't anyway. So, like I said, Kaya is very well-trained gentleman when it comes to his hooves.
Boy, that frog, I think,
That's what that hoof knife's for, is the frog, hon.
But there's a big chunk that's
Missing?
separating.
Oh yeah, that's why you trim them. But they don't, yeah. The only thing is Kaya really doesn't like to have his frog trimmed much. That's the one thing he doesn't like about hoof doing. See? Yeah, Daniel's just doing a little stretching here. While Kaya's finishing up his goodies. And Daniel's trying to take the time that it takes to get this horse's hooves where they need to be.
I'm not trying to do a spectacular job anyway.
We're
I'm
not.
trying to do a job that
We're
just get us until the farrier gets here.
Yeah, we're just trying to make it until the farrier gets here. So. We may need more grain to keep him working with us. We'll see. We have fed him some grains and some alfalfa cubes. We may need more alfalfa cubes or grains to keep him compliant. There's more pellets in there? You think he could use a little more pellets? Okay. He is being such a good boy, trying so hard for us. I am so proud of him. Okay. Yeah. There it is. He's not sure about this idea that Daniel's got, but we'll see. You don't think you could use a file on that?
Well, I'm going to clean it up just a little bit so I can use the file.
Okay, yeah, we're just going to clean it up a little bit and then use the files. Okay. Yeah, he's thinking about the fact he doesn't have any more feed in there. Now you see this face. Gee, Mom, go get the rest of it. Want me to do the rest of it? You hold it and feed goodies, and I'll go around with the little...
yeah, if you just go around with the rasp on
the
that
little
roof,
rasp.
it should be good.
I'm going to go around with the little
It's good
green
enough for
one,
now.
with the little handheld rasp.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Daniel did a great job with the trimming of the hooves, and now what I'm going to do is just take this little handheld and go around. And just to complete the filing. And we're going to focus on trying to get that hoof to look round and flat, kind of. So, I'll go to the back hoof here. When he lifts up, we just wait till he releases and pull out.
You know, if you get up underneath that hoof, actually it's better on your back.
Okay. This is his rougher hoof.
You know,
So,
that's the rougher hoof, so it's a little harder. But she's just taking that little rasp and running around the hoof, making it kind of cleaning it up, leveling out the bottom of the hoof as best she can, and rounding the hoof also.
okay, he's done with that hoof.
Yeah.
All right.
And let's see, we're going to move to this side.
Here it is.
This is kind of an awkward position. And there she goes with that side now.
Okay, where I could see corners, I'm trying to just round it off.
So wherever she sees corners, she's going to round it off. Just in case you haven't heard. See through the camera. Or through.
That dog was born to our farm, and that horse was there when the dog was born. So they just love each other. What I'm going to watch for now as Daniel walks away is how much more level is this horse walking? How much more level is his gait here? To see if we did all right, which I think is so much better actually. As I'm watching, I'm thinking, yep.